sunny with Allegheny overhead door. Just got a few maintenance tips for you here to keep your door working smoothly and quietly. First thing you want to do is get a good lubricant, something like a WD-40 or a garage door lube, and just go to your hinges and rollers. Just shoot a little bit right on the roller itself. Make sure that roller can spin freely. And on the pinch points here on the hinge, a little bit on those, keeps that roller moving nice and free. You can come over here to the end. You might need to get a ladder. There's a bearing on the end. You just want to shoot a little bit of lubricant on that bearing. You want to move across here to your spring. Your torsion spring has coils that rub against each other. You want to keep those moving free. So a little lubricant on there, back and forth, keeps those coils working nice and free, keeps your door from making that popping noise it might be making.